Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful glass dioramas using some glass domes that I picked up at the hardware store. And we're filling them with beautiful faux flowers that I dipped in glaze coat resin, which makes them look like glass flowers and also makes them look like they're wet. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to stop by and say hello. And you know how much I love it when you pop in and say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some glass dioramas. These glass domes were left over from a home reno project, but you can pick them up at a hardware store for about $7 to $8. I'll leave a link below in the description for you. In 1623, the glass garden cloche was invented by a gardener glassmaker in Italy. A cloche is a bell-shaped glass cover that works like a mini greenhouse. First recorded in 1775 as meaning a remembrance or memory, the noun souvenir stems from the French souvenir, to remember or come to mind. Homer records the very first souvenir in Book 11 of the Iliad, around 700 to 750 BC. I'm going to leave a link to glaze coat and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.